Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video we'll be doing some red snapper bites. And here I have some red snapper steaks. They have been washed and patted dry, and for seasoning today we'll be using some salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and some fish seasoning, and we'll also be using some green seasoning. Let's get right into the recipe. So we're gonna start to cut our pieces of snapper. Now, because these have a bone, like in the middle, I'm going to cut along. So this is the bone. And now I'm left with these, which I can now dice. Beautiful. And it is all seasoned. And now we're just gonna season the flour with the rest of the powdered seasoning. Now for the flour, we have cornstarch, all-purpose flour, and we also have some panko breadcrumbs. And we'll just be adding the same seasonings from when we seasoned up the fish. Okay, now, so we're gonna start the assembly line. So we're gonna take a cube of the fish, dump it in that flour, dust out the excess, and place it on a rack. We're gonna do that with the rest, and I'll be right back. Now we start to add the fish. Y'all see how beautiful this looks? Who would think that this is red snapper? So I went ahead and I just added some sweet and sour sauce on there, and it just elevated it to a whole other level. Thank you guys so much for watching. The ingredients will be in the description. And if you guys love this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys tuned in to the next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.